traditional print is out and alternative forms of media are in. People don't want to sit and read through pages and pages of text anymore. Instead, they want visual guides that will pass the information that they are seeking out to them more quickly. This is why video marketing is one of the leading alternatives to the traditional churn and burn website creation strategy for online marketers. People are actively searching for videos. In fact, YouTube is the second most used search engine in the world. Click the link in the description below this video for details. You will often find videos appear on the first page of Google's listings for the most common topics that are searched for. Tubeloom is a program that teaches you how to use videos to take advantage of this. It tells you how to create videos that sell and how to identify the niches that people are searching for. The truth is, the majority of these video marketing programs don't contain any new information. This is one of the few video marketing programs that will actually give you some useful insights. With that said, it's not going to revolutionize the video marketing world like it claims it will. Many people will say that this is a Tubeloom scam because of that. It's also probably not going to allow you to earn hundreds of dollars overnight like it claims. It will, however, give you what you need to know in order to start making consistent profits through video marketing. For a lot of people, all it takes is some direction. Even though you can find enough information to get yourself moving in the right direction online, it helps a lot to have everything laid out like Tubeloom does for you. The program is designed for beginners. It will start from the basics and show you how to create videos and identify the markets that you will be able to use Tubeloom to profit from. Scaling with this type of marketing is easy. In theory, once you find a profitable niche, you should be able to scale it up as high as you want. It's one thing to explain why it works, but now going to tell you if it works in practice. In short, yes, it does. In reality, this is a straightforward affiliate marketing method that will work with any type of product that people are searching for. It provides you with the marketing tools and resources that you need. After that, it is up to you to find the right products that your audience will convert on. You should get Tubeloom if you want a surefire way to start earning money online by publishing videos. Click the link in the description below this video for details.